How's it going, everyone? This is Sean here from Scale Model Car Guide channel, and today's video is going to be community prayers, and then I guess a few stash ads, mail call, and update on my small scale group build models. Okay, before we get this started, thank you, my subscriber. Thumbs up, thumbs down, whatever makes the world go around, guys. Subscribing is free. Free. This little redneck from Arkansas will never ask you for a dime, guys. I don't need support, PayPal, Patreons, whatever. Guys, just support anybody in our community, and I always leave a link in the description below. Always go check them out. If I mention somebody, it will be there. Alright, now a buddy of mine, Stephen Baker, reached out to me, and he's got a YouTube channel, but he don't have nothing on there anymore, and he's took it down as far as that, but he's still on YouTube, and he's active as far as commenting and stuff. And matter of fact, that last 57 Chevy that I built, he had gifted that to me along with some other models. But yeah, he, sad news in his family today. Well, this week, Monday, his sister passed away of cancer, guys, and I want you to pray for Stephen Baker, please, guys. He really needs it. His family needs it. A loss is a terrible thing, and his sister, they were close. Yeah, just prayers for Stephen Baker, guys. Love you, Stephen. Prayers will go out for you. And also, keep that in mind too of Terry at Hobby Barn. He's home on hospice and news ain't great. So, guys, lots of prayers out there. Prayers for Robert Bishop, and I'm not going to say what's going on there, but he needs our prayers too. A lot of guys in this community, prayers for the community, guys. All right. And yeah, I have not been on here for a while. I've been sick, as you can tell. It's still in my voice, and if I start coughing and hacking, guys, sorry. It's probably gonna be a long video because I'm gonna try to cram everything in here. Like I said, I haven't been feeling good, and stuff, and but let's get on better news here. All right. Yesterday I got home. I had to take a trip, and yesterday I got home, and waiting at the mailbox for me was a awesome surprise by my buddy Mike at Scale Speedworks. And if y'all ain't subscribed to him, go check him out. He's an awesome guy. Well, he joins the small scale group build and everything and stuff, and I commented on his video. I said, man, those are some awesome cars. I said, I haven't seen them. I've seen them, but I need to get one. Especially after seeing your unboxing, I need to get one. Well, I get home, and look what I have waiting on me. Not one, but two. 132 scale monogram. One's the 40 XP, and the other one is the LN7 Sport Coupe. And no, there won't be no unboxing on this, because if you want to see an unboxing, you go to his channel. He's the one that gets to me, and he's made an unboxing of these. Go check these out. These are awesome little model kits, engine detail, everything. And this community's awesome, guys. What can I say? Would have never even thought. And all of a sudden, they're sitting there. Thank you very much, Mike. Appreciate you so much. I love them. I told him, I said, man, what can I give you in return? Something. No, he don't want nothing. That's how this community is, guys. That's how this community is. All right. A few weeks ago, I had bought something on eBay for myself. I haven't been buying a lot of models, guys. I've got more. I've run out of so much space. I have no space left. I've really kind of been not buying anything much. But man, this one here I had to have. I've been wanting this for a long time, which I've got this box, and I got this one right here. My buddy Donnie Yager had got for me a good while back. But the Tognati T was missing, the King T. And man, I had to find that King T. Love that kit. That's an awesome show car. Matter of fact, I think Gas Monkey might have restored that or bought it and flipped it or something. The original car. But yeah, I had to have that. This kit, believe it or not, this one's not complete, which it don't matter. I can use it for parts, whatever, because I got another one that is complete with the box and everything. But this one is complete, and it's got both stands are there and everything. So yeah, that'll be coming up sometime soon. I love the show rods. I love that. And guys, like I said, I really haven't been buying a lot, which I've got some newer kits that's come in. You know, it ain't no big deal. You know, everybody's getting them. There's unboxings. People's already built them and stuff. Like, you know, this one right here and this one right here. No big deal. Waiting on the Ford pickups to come in. The 60 model and the 63s. I got them ordered. But like I said, I'll search the Facebook Marketplace here and there. And I'm glad I did. Because you never, ever know what you're going to find. When you're not looking for something, something pops up. Always check, guys. Always check. This is awesome. This right here. This is a Poacher 1931 Alfa Romeo 1/8 scale. It's the Monza. This kit is like a high dollar kit. This is like a 70s release, I think, here. Very intricate detailed. I mean, the detail on this is just unreal. So I went down and bought it off a guy down in Paragould, Arkansas, or up in Paragould for me. His name is Quincy. Thank you, Quincy. Appreciate you, brother. Told you I'd give you a shout out. But this thing is awesome, guys. Any of y'all know anything about these kits? They are 8 scale. They are huge. Here's how it comes open like this. And this thing is like multimedia. I can't show you everything, but look at all the parts there. So big, dude. And there's no way. There's the parts there. It is so big, I can't. There's no way. But this thing's huge. It's never been built. It's all there. This will get built on the channel. And maybe sometime soon, because I'm telling you right now, this was a once in a lifetime thing for me to get, because I would never spend that kind of money that they want for these on eBay and everywhere else. At least I don't think I would. I mean, I might if I get if that was a dang good deal. I give $100 for it, guys, and it's in the gas ride up there. It wasn't that big a deal. It was a good ride. It was an easy ride. What the heck? All right, guys, I'm going to shut my gap, and I'm going to show you the Bond Bug and the Corvette, what I've got done so far. Let me pause this out. All right, guys, as you can see here, this is what I've gotten done. Let's start with this Bond Bug first. Y'all remember Pete? Pete gifted me this. Y'all go check him out. Another awesome guy. Yeah, you see a theme here, guys. A lot of gifted models. Matter of fact, that one was gifted to me too by Robert Bishop. But all right, this is what I've gotten done so far. I painted it the same color because everybody who does the orange, I painted it this same lime green metallic that I painted the Corvette. There's the seats. Not done with this. I'm going to put carpet in this. I still got to detail up the dash thing there. You can see right there I got the silver painted right there because the parts are got to go there. Here's underneath. Here's the back. And the taillight lenses will go in there, and of course the decals. I still got the decals to go on this. And as you can see here, we got that will go there. You can see that. And then here's one of the doors. If I can put that in focus, how it will go there. Matter of fact, I'm not showing you. Let me get it here. I got it over here on the paint stand. Normally I would show you at the bench, but my bench is so nasty I'm getting about embarrassed to showing it anymore. But here's the guy. I've got him painted up. I'm no Gavin Booth, but it's looking alright. He's got brown corduroy slacks on, his blue shirt with his chest open. He's got his little ascot do-rag, whatever going on there. His black shoes, white socks. So yeah, that'll be the driver in there. Here's his little arms right there. And here is the engine and chassis. That is that little engine. It's a 3-wheel, so you can see right there. Yes, I even wired this engine, even though you're not going to see it. I wired it up. You'll see from the bottom end, you might see them wires sticking out there, but that'll be about it. Here is the little gas tank, the exhaust. Here are the wheels. Not really much left to button this one up, guys. There's the tires and the back side of the tires. No big deal. But yeah, that one's good. Now, this one over here. You can see, thanks to Robert Bishop for gifting me the kit. And then on top of that, 3D printed the wheels and this engine for it. So, let's get this started. Here's the headers. I wired the engine up. Look in there. I've even got the radiator hose. It's street legal. I got it to where it goes back to the exhaust. There's the ladder bars. There you go. There's that. This thing is going to look wild when I get it all together, guys. Here is my driver. I robbed it out of an Airfix Porsche. Wired the battery, made the roll cage, made the battery, made the shifter, custom made that fire extinguisher. The seat belts is yellow electrical tape. Show you all this now because once it's buttoned up, you're probably not going to be able to see any of it. The shifter down there matches. It's an automatic. It's got the shifter. And it's got the same like burl wood as the steering wheel. Yeah, guys, I told you it's going to be a long video. I'm sorry. I did have the roll bar black, but it just lost itself in there with all this black. So I painted that gunmetal color. Here are the front wheels. You can see it's even got the valve stems. Here are the back ones. I even sanded a flat spot, sanded these tires, and yeah, this is going to be in the wheelie position. Here's this. I still got to chrome foil the body and everything. The body has to be chrome foiled. All the stuff all the details have to be picked out of it. But you can see what I'm going for. It's going to be a wheelie stander. It's going to be standing just like that with the driver in it. I've tinted the glass. It's going to have red gasser glass. Alright guys, I told you this was going to be a long video. But like I said, a lot of prayers out there in the community. Pray for Stephen Baker's family. Stephen, Terry at Hobby Barn, Robert Bishop. There's a lot more people I can't think of right now, guys. But a lot of prayers. Like I said, I haven't been on here for about a couple weeks now. I've been sick. I'm finally starting to feel a little bit better and getting over it. Yes, I've still been working and everything. It's been long, hard going through this, but it is what it is, guys. I don't go to the doctor unless I absolutely have to. I don't trust them for nothing, especially after my wife and what they put her through back during the summer. Yeah, I take care of myself. Alright guys, love y'all. Check out everybody in the description. I'm sorry I had to cram everything in at once, but you know guys, it is what it is. Love you. Bye.